Okay, great. So I prepared some panels with using craft glitter and silver, all the way from the finest flake, which is a .015, all the way up to the colossal, which is a .125. This center panel here is actually 1/4-inch squares, which we call mammoth flakes. The reason I've set these panels out for you is we're going to go ahead and video them, and every 10 feet on our way back to the theater, so you can get an idea of what flake size you might want to use for your project and the size of your theater. So we're going to go ahead and do our first one at 10 feet back.